Yo, hello, what's up guys? So I'm Noel. So today I'll be demonstrating you on how to connect this microcontroller, or called as ESP32, connect to Google Home via Sinric Pro and Arduino. Okay, so this project shows that how simple IoT device can, how simple IoT setup can deliver real automation in both technical and strategical way. So I will show you guys how to do it right after this. Let's go. So one item do you need is actually this guy, ESP32 microcontroller. So you can see it can connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, okay, and etc. This thing is very powerful. You can connect to a lot of things. Then after that, you need to connect to wiring for power. So this is a Type C actually. So you must connect to your laptop, as you can see here. Okay, so for the first step, we need to know that whether your ESP32 works or not. So what you should do is you open your Arduino apps software. Okay, let me show you. Can you see my screen now? You should be seeing Arduino, right? Okay, so the first step is you need to go File. You go to Examples and Basic and Blink. Okay, and then it will open this one, this coding here. Okay, so don't worry, you don't have to do coding. It will be automatic to you. It will be ready here. So you change this LED Boolean, you change the number 2, because your LED usually in this device will be at LED number 2, at port number 2. Okay, so you just change here, number 2, and here as well, number 2. And then if you, okay, now you have to upload. Okay, loading. There you go. So you can see it blinks, the blue color. Okay, so means if the blue color blinks, means your ESP32 is fine. It's connected to your computer. Okay, so if it doesn't work, so you can try to use other port by using tools. You click tools, port, and you can try other port. Yeah, you just try and error. It might works if you use other ports. Okay, so that's the first step. Or step 2, so you need to go to Sinric Pro. Okay, let me teach you from the beginning. So you add device, you name your device, Noel demo, let's see. A description, probably switch. Okay, this one you don't have to think, and then next. Then yes, you just tick. Then this one you don't have to think about it. No need, save. There you go. So it already gives you this how to say, this ID and also app key. So this is the thing that important for you to generate your Arduino. So your Arduino can how to say, can access. Okay, so after this, then you go back to your device. Okay, you can see it's already here. I think it's Noel demo, right? Okay, so now you generate zero code. Just now I named myself Noel zero, so you generate zero code. Okay, where is it? Noel demo. Okay, Noel demo next. Then this one you just click to, and then okay, now you connect to your Wi-Fi. So I'm connected to my own Wi-Fi. It's TMC. So now you just name it, you just connect to your home Wi-Fi. And after that, you click download. And after you get download, then you click this, and then you open it. It will redirect you to Arduino apps. Okay. So there you go. So when it opens here, you can see it's already connected to your Wi-Fi. There's a path already passed to your, connected to your Wi-Fi here, EMC and Quadratube. Okay, blah blah. And then after that, yeah, after this is already open, then you have to click upload here. And now it's you need to connect to your device here. So you just click upload and let it load. Loading will take a bit of time. Yeah, so you just have to be patient. Okay. Okay, so means after when you see this done uploading, hash data has verified, blah blah. So means you're good to go. So means this one is already okay, so means this one is already you can link with your Sinric Pro already. So you go back to your Sinric Pro here. Okay, so you go to device. Here you go. Noel demo. Sorry, you go to the dashboard. You see? Noel demo. So here, now I turn on. Good, there you go. The blue color. You can see the blue color is online now. The rest is offline. So when I turn off, the blue color is gone. When I turn on again, lit up. Yep. Okay, so now how do I connect this with your Google Home? So now after this, you need to go to your Google Home. You need to download your Google Home from your Apple Store. Okay, so you have to download and then you open Google Home here. So this is the, sorry. So this is the apps, okay? So after this, I will share you the screen and my smartphone. Go to device, link, then you search Sinric Pro. And you continue, agree. Okay, now you log into your Sinric Pro. Okay, Sinric Pro is linked. Okay, now after that, now it's already connected to your Sinric Pro. Where is it? Here, you can see. So now my demo is off now. Okay, then when I click on, then no. Okay. Okay. So after you have seen the demonstration in my phone, so now you can see my screen, it's actually connected. Okay, so when you turn on the demo, then Noel demo is on. So you can see it's turning on. So it means you can connect your IoT device, your ESP32 from your phone as well. Okay, so that's all from my sharing for demonstration today. Hope you enjoy it. I hope you understand. If you have any inquiries, just let me know. I will try to help you. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Have a great night. See you.